After signing up for YouTube, there are a few essential steps to complete your setup and optimize your channel. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Verify your account. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Customize your channel. Go to your channel page and click on Customize Channel. Here you can add a profile picture, channel banner, and description. Make sure these elements reflect your brand or content style. Step 3. Set up channel keywords. In the settings menu, navigate to channel and add relevant keywords that describe your content. This helps YouTube understand your channel's focus and improves discoverability. Step 4. Create a channel trailer. Create a short channel trailer that introduces new viewers to your content. This video should highlight what your channel is about and encourage viewers to subscribe. Step 5. Upload your first video. Once your channel is set up, upload your first video. Click on the camera icon, select your video file, and fill in the title, description, and tags. Make sure to create an engaging thumbnail to attract viewers. Now that you've completed these steps, you're ready to start creating and sharing content on YouTube. Enjoy your journey as a content creator.